Are you thinking of starting an LLC in the USA, but you're worried about cost or complexity? What if I told you that you can do that under $100 without hiring a lawyer? Hi, my name is Nwaeze David, and in this video, I'll walk you through the exact step on how to register an LLC in the USA, even if you're outside the country. Now, at the end of this video, I'll show you the best tools to use to make the process 10 times faster. So why start an LLC? An LLC simply means limited liability company. It protects your personal assets, make your business look more professional, and it also opens doors to US payment platforms such as Stripe, PayPal, business banking, etc. Now, this is perfect for freelancers, Amazon or Etsy sellers, affiliate marketers, consultants, coaches, etc. Basically, if you're a startup or a small business owner, then you need to form an LLC. This will help you enjoy the benefits of being a business owner in the US. It also protects you from the liabilities that come with businesses. Now, how do you get started? The first step is to choose your state. Okay, my recommendation is Wyoming or New Mexico. They are cheaper with strong privacy, and also they have no state income tax. Please know this is not a financial advice. If you want to navigate your business taxes, I would recommend you hire a lawyer to help you guide you through this process. The LLC filing fee for New Mexico is around $50. Kentucky is around $40, I think. Then compare that with California or Wyoming, which is around $70 to $100 respectively. The choice is yours. I will advise you to do your own research and determine which state is best for you, then proceed from there. Step number 2 is the name of your business. Choose a unique name for your business. You can check the name availability on the Secretary of State website for the state that you have chosen. Now, one thing I normally advise people to do is to use a name that's easy to remember. Now, if you are building a brand, then I will advise you to include a keyword in the business name so that it will help you later on when you're doing your SEO. Step number 3, get a registered agent. Every LLC needs a registered agent, someone who receives your legal mail for that business in that state that you have chosen. Now, you can use a professional service which costs around $39 to $49 a year, or you can use a friend or family member in the USA if you have one. This will help you make it more cheaper. They can do it for you for free. Now, some of the providers I will mention later on in this video include free registered agent for the first year that you work with them. So stay tuned as I'm going to mention all of them here. So step number 4 is to file your articles of organization. Now, this is actually the official step that makes you become a legal entity. Okay, a limited liability company, also known as LLC. Simply go to the state's business website and file the name of your business, registered agent's info, and the business address. You can actually use a virtual address if you don't have a physical address. I've made a lot of videos on how to get a virtual address in the USA for free. So go ahead, check the description of this video to watch that video right now and create your own virtual address for free. All right, so when you've done all these things, it should cost you around $50 to $100 depending on the state that you have chosen. Step number 5, get an EIN. EIN also means employer identification number. An EIN is like a social security number for your business. You need it for your taxes, banking, Stripe, etc. The good news is that you can get this 100% free even if you're a non-resident. Okay, a non-resident can apply this by filing a form SS4 and faxing it to the IRS. However, if this is too much for you, then I will advise you to use the services that are listed in the description of this video. They will help you get this done within 2 or 3 days for a small fee, of course. Step number 6, open a business bank account. Okay, I know this is not part of the step. The step ended the step 5, but you still need to open a business bank account, okay, and separate it from your personal account. So in light of that, I've listed top 3 of the best banks that you can work with. You can open a business bank account remotely from anywhere you are in the world. So you don't need to be physically present in the USA. All you need to do is visit this website, submit your business details, and they open a bank account for you. Now, if you're confused or want to avoid any form of mistake, then I've created a step-by-step ebook on how to register your business in the USA, even if you're a non-resident. You can get this book by clicking on the link in the description of this video. Fill the form and I'll send you the ebook. All right, so let's recap. Step 1 is to choose your state. Step 2 is to pick a business name. Step 3 is to get a registered agent. Step 4 is to file your articles of organization, which is filing your LLC online. Then step 5 is to apply for EIN. Then you open a business bank account and start doing business in the USA. That's exactly how to form an LLC under $100. Now, comment LLC in the comment section if you want me to follow up on EINs and bank accounts for non-residents. If you find this video helpful, go ahead and like this video, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any of my updates. And I'll see you in the next video.